Hello everyone and welcome to a new Excel tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix these broken links of a line chart in Excel. So I have the sales data in here, and for some days we don't have any data. Perhaps it was a day with 0 sales, or somehow we have broken data for these days. And let me show you what we can do to fix this chart over here. Now the first thing that we have to do is to click anywhere in the chart, and that will activate this design menu right here, and we're going to click on this tab, and from here we're going to select the button that says select data. We're going to click on it, and in here of course we can deselect the days where we don't have any data, like for example the 3rd of February. If I deselect it from here and hit OK, notice how this has been corrected in here, but that's not exactly what we want to do. So I just hit Ctrl and Z, and now I have this right here checked again. And what we want to do is we want to click on the hidden and empty cells, and then pick an option from here. This says show empty cells as, and we can pick gaps, which is by default, but we don't want gaps. Also, we don't want 0. If we select 0, I'll show you what happens. We get some values like this, which may not be accurate. We may not want to have that. So what we want to do, we want to select the last option, connect data points with line. We hit OK and OK again, and there it is. Now whenever we have missing data, our chart just readjusts, and then the line continues. That's it. This is how you fix gaps in a line chart in Excel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.